Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at how to use try except block to handle Python exceptions in your Python programs and your Python projects. So why do we need exceptions? Or what exactly are exceptions? So exceptions are errors that occur during your program that could cause a halt or that could cause your program to not run smoothly. And using the try except block statements can help you catch such error and prevent such minor bugs that could occur in your program. So let's see some code examples. Okay, so let's look at this example where we have two variables, x being 5 and y being 0. And we want, and then we decide to, let's say, find the division between the two variables. So we say results equals to x divided by, oh sorry, y. Of course, this is definitely going to give you some error. So let's run this. Let me just move this a bit. Beautiful. Okay, so let's run this. And see the and we have a zero division error. That's division by 0, which means 5 cannot be divided by 0. Now, for us to prevent this type of error, or for us to catch this type of error, we use what we call the try block. Let me just remove terminal and let's try the try block. Now, the try block is a great way, like an exceptional way for you to catch such error. So we say try results equals to x divided by y except 0 division, and the print error division by 0 is not allowed. So just a brief explanation on what this try block is doing is that it wants it to run this. It wants it to divide two variables, that's the x will divide the y. And if there is any error whatsoever, it should print this error division by 0 is not allowed. So when we run this again, we should be able to see error division by 0 is not allowed instead of the division error division by 0. Beautiful. You see, this is it. Now, what the try block in this example aimed to do was it gave the user a friendly message on what the error was, because I'm sure that some users may not be able to understand this, but this they will be able to understand. And you can even make it more simple than this. You can decide to do say the division by 0 cannot be allowed. No, just anything that makes it easy. Now let's see how to handle multiple exceptions in a program. Okay, let's remove the terminal. Oh, sorry, remove, remove the terminal. Remove the terminal. And handling multiple exceptions. Let's say we want to have a program where we take in the user inputs and we want to divide that by 10, or we want to divide 10 by the user input, and then we want to drop a message. If the value can be divided by 0, we say it can division by 0 is not allowed. if it cannot, like, let's say if the user decides to add input an alphabet instead of a number, we can still say invalid input, please enter a valid number. So let's try that. Start by, let's, and we'll all do this within the try except block. Let's see, inputs, enter a number, then divided by number. Then if there is a zero division, we can say print division by zero, not allowed. And then if there is a value error, like as I said, the user decides to enter an alphabet instead of a number, that's what we call a value error. We can just say except, oh, it's here, value error print. Okay, instead of this, if it's a value error, we can say please enter a number. Now let's run this and let's see what is going to give us. But before I run this, you can let me know in the comments what you think this is going, okay, what you think this is going to print out if you as a user you enter B and you as a user you enter the value 20. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, let's run this. So let's say I use B. Please enter a number. Sorry, this was not supposed to be semicolon, it's supposed to be full stop. I'm gonna run this again and enter a number now. Let's say I enter 20. So 20 can be divisible. So let's say I enter another number. Let's say, oh, sorry, I forgot I was supposed to print results. Okay, let's enter 20 again and let's see. Let's try this one more time. Aha, you see, we entered 20 and it printed the results. Let's run this again and enter, let's say 2, 5.0. Let's do this again and enter 0. And it says division by 0 is not allowed. So this is a great way for you to handle simple errors in your program. And you know, users being users, they always have a tricky way to mess up your program or to break your program. So understanding how Python exception works, it would really help you.